see it. We gotta get it a little some in there, bit.
This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man, y'all boys can see, you know what I'm saying? Quick little late night, little, you know what I'm saying? Little sheets run. Oh, man. Bro, it's early. That time is so wrong, bro. It's super early in the morning. I probably are still titled as late night though, since, you know what I'm saying, it's still like dark outside.
$133.70.
This is Chad. I promise to God, I'm on my knees. This is lying. He's lying. That's not true.
But it's early morning, like super early. Give y'all boys a little pull real quick. Also, I discovered I need an alt, bro. So my car not even gonna put out. That's why all of my lights and all of that is dim, because I have to dim it out just so it don't use so much power. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, all of my like electricals and all of that is not even getting full charge. So I need to buy me an alt. So if y'all see my headlights start dim or something like that, bro, that's why. But y'all boys a little pull real quick. That bitch sound crazy, buddy. Alright, man. From what I'm seeing, we bust a right here. It's a 7-Eleven. Hold up, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I can't miss this opportunity to get this thumbnail. Hold up, bro. I probably end up still taking. Hold up, wait. Damn, which way do I want to get it? Do I want? Hold up. Let's try to get it over here. Damn, this bitch got some power, man. Nah, hold up. Let me get this thumbnail real quick, y'all. My fault. I gotta get this. I've been trying to get this thumbnail for days, bro. This is the perfect time. Hold on. Let me get this thumbnail. Oh wait, in this place. My fault. Hey, we doing all this, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta see the, yeah. That look crazy, ski. All right, but these my last few ones.
Type shit.
Oh my goodness. You see it. We gotta get it a little some in there, bit. Damn. We straight though, we straight. But yeah, bro, let me know how y'all boys liking, you know what I'm saying, this consistency, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. God dang, look at my camera. Hold up. Get y'all right. Boom. It's a little bit better. Yeah, bro, we close to sheets. Bro, tell me why, gang. Like, just tell me why. Bro, we were going the wrong way. I was like, bro, I ain't never seen these roads before, but I was like, you know what? Let me flick up real quick before it goddamn, you know what I mean? Yeah, bro, wrong goddamn sheets, bro. I be going to this one, but now, obviously, I ain't gonna lie. Since I'm recording now, I ain't gonna lie, I might gotta say like just switch it up, cause yeah, it's no way in hell, bro. Yeah, bro. Nah, we gonna switch it up though. But I feel like I gotta switch it up because I tell y'all exactly where like what sheets I be going to, and I don't think that's a good idea. Oh, and I love when the sheets look like this, bro. Well, I love when gas stations look empty in general, bro. Cause that mean, bro, it's more for me, gang. Like, you know, y'all get what I'm saying? Less people, bro, less interactions. I'm fine with that. Part that bit. Can we just take the time out of the day, though? Just look at this bitch. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. This bitch, they came a long way. This shit was so bad when I got it, bro. Now, hold up. Gotta turn the side markers on. Them shits is so crazy, bro. Like, in person, they look crazy, but even on camera, them shit still look crazy as hell. So, I don't know, gang. These done came a long goddamn way with that bit. But, oh, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I think I put that in that video. I don't know. We not gonna go to that meet. Bro, that meet, that's just like an hour away, gang. Yeah, niggas are tripping. I'm not going to this shit, bro. Yeah, hold up, man. Gotta put y'all this on. Dang. Yeah, you gotta get one of these bitches right here, bro. What? Yeah, bro, shit. This shit is great. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness, look how that bitch look, bro. That bitch so crazy, bro. Hey, now that I got this shit on springs, bro, I cannot stop looking at this shit. This shit look crazy. I just need to fix my bumper, but like besides the bumper and shit, nigga, this shit look crazy. I damn near want to take another picture of this bitch right here. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this lighting right here is not bad. I might snap a picture right here. I ain't even gonna figure it to y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This lighting look too good, bro, to pass up on this shit. Like, hold up, wait. I might gotta do that. Hold up, I wanna set it up first to see how it look. But like, hold up, let me see, bro. That shit might come out crazier than it. Cause y'all know, for some reason, gas station, like, yo, that shit looks clean. Yo, bro, it's no way I pass up on this opportunity, bro. This shit look too good. Hold up. Let me see something real quick. I'm trying to be, okay, so I'll take two of them. I'll take one with the shit on the car and one with the shit off the car. But this shit looks good, bro. It's the perfect, like, it's like the perfect time to take this shit. Like, lighting and all of that shit is too good. Like that. And then with yo, we doing all, I'm not cutting nothing. I'll long drive and then go. I will go one without all. And then we straight. I'm gonna get out. Hey, I seen who was it? It might have been Quan, bro. He said these shit sound like G-Wagons when you close the door, and I can't unhear that shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I can't unhear it now. These shit sound so heavy duty when you close the door. So these bitches, hey, these shit sound heavy, bro. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. calm little vlog, bro. Hope y'all boys enjoyed it, man. I'm finna head back to the crib. And yeah, bro, appreciate y'all boys for watching. Let me know if y'all want more shit like this, like late night, just chilling, bro, just vibing on some shit. And I'll bring it to y'all, bro. But appreciate y'all boys for watching, man. I'm out this bitch.